We're here.
It's your first appearance on a vlog.
I was on the first one.
Oh.
It's kind of a cool mural. The garage door on that one. Yeah. That's pretty nice, right? Minus the factory. Minus the steel mill.
I was kind of blocking out the factory.
Get that plume of smoke right there. That. I mean, everywhere you go in Chicago, that stuff's coming up out of the ground.
Okay.
You are looking dastardly splendid. Check out my puzzle.
I know you've never seen Barbie Rapunzel, but you sound like the evil stepmom's like rodent that she wears around her neck.
Wears a rodent around her neck?
As like a scarf.
And it talks?
In this vlog, I'm gonna include a picture.
Right there.
Maybe even a video of him doing his voice.
Your little friend will do. Allow me, mistress.
Dastardly. Check out my puzzle. I've been working on it for almost a week now. I've made just barely any progress.
It's earnest work.
I'm trying. It's hard these days. I work. I date a woman. That's the woman. That's you. I'm gonna load the dishwasher.
Can you tell me where you start?
I'm frustrated. I don't do this very well.
And where you want to end up? Lightness too heavy mood. Feel you say the words out, reaching up to my mouth.
Yes.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you. Wow. I love those.
You like the eucalyptus?
Yeah, I do.
Me too.
I've never seen eucalyptus with roses.
I know, I thought it was pretty cool. I look pretty bummy right now. In my inside out hoodie.
This is just the before. I'll get your after shot too.
When I'm in my sweatpants. Oop. Oopsies.
Welcome to our Airbnb.
Hinge is missing from the bottom of this door. Can you imagine if that fell?
The door?
It was gone. Guys, you're never gonna believe what's through this door. Are you ready?
I guess so.
Nothing.
Oh, that kid sounds like a cat.
That kid sounds like a cat?
Yeah, I keep thinking it's a cat, but it's a little kid going.
It's gotta be a kid. Isn't it? No. It is a cat. It has to be a cat.
You think so?
100%.
Okay. I have some qualms with the artwork of choice.
Oh yeah, I think that's nice.
We just had one of our larger fights. How do you think it went?
Yeah, so you had me in the first half. I was definitely down a couple points. Punched our way back up to even, and then you dropped the unrelenting, unbeatable move on me, and so I ended up taking the L.
I actually feel like you got the last singer.
Yeah, it was a crazy screaming match.
He told me it's because I'm menstruating. We're going to a cursed food lion.
Shall we bring these?
We could go get dessert somewhere downtown.
That's a great idea. That's whole cultured milk. Whole
I'm
milk.
sorry. What?
One of the worst Adele songs ever.
What's that?
It's off of her new album, the 30 album.
Oh.
An album that actually kind of sucks. I hate to break it to you, I'm a big Adele fan.
Which Adele album do you like?
21 is obviously the best, and it goes 25, and then it goes 19 for me.
Okay. Do you
Sorry,
cry?
17? My bad.
When's the last time you cried to the 21 album?
Many years, but it still hits me nevertheless. We should probably get 2 pounds of pasta, don't you think?
Yeah, probably. That looks good. Let's get 2 of those. This is easy.
Go long, Celia. Sometimes there's like 20 to 30 in there. She's not even ready.
This will be like B-roll.
Alright. On the Lynchburg documentary.
Yeah, I am making a vlog.
Ooh. That's awesome. I disabled.
Oh, you tinnitus?
Yes. Ear constantly ringing.
Don't worry.
I'm shooting vertical for Instagram Reels.
Ice cream.
How what?
How much you can zoom?
That's most what he's doing.
Shoe game. Shoe game. GoPro be like. It's like at a GoPro ass angle.
You guys know that guy who watches training?
Yeah. I showed my dad some of his stuff. Do you want my lights on or not?
Yeah, lights on, please.
But I think it's pretty good.
Cool.
So, the bros.
They're full on spooning, are they not?
Yeah.
Hi, Maple.
Why do you think he's $10 more than Tom and Jerry?
Isn't Maple a girl?
I didn't go in.
Wanna do it? Lower. Little lower. Oh.
Are you sure? It's down.
Brooks content.
Are they gonna get anything good? What's up, dude?
I hear mommy.
Oh yeah.
Hi. Halloween.
What are you for Halloween?
That's an expert.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Time for breakfast. Eggs, bacon, pancakes. It's 33 degrees.
It's chilly. There.
I mean, I know that's going to be a hard task to do, but I'll
You already
I'll
have, son.
try it.
You already have. You already have.
That would be fun. I bet.
Log north,
Brooks.
Duluth, and Superior. And they would float all the logs
I don't even know where he's
down to St.
looking.
Croix and lumber mills. and-
Hi.
Hey.
Really so they were
fantastic. Stillwater has a historic.
You see me?
Yeah. Fifi, I just saw a moon.
The moon?
Yeah.
Celia's apartment is like